manufactures the body of the car except the engine of the car. The engine of the car is manufactured by other company, then who is liable to pay excise duty on manufacture of only engine? So for understanding this, the car company, I'll make you all explain. Car company is principal manufacturer and engine making company is actual manufacturer. This is a case of engine only, not the entire car. Okay, we are seeing just for engine. I have just taken an example. A car company manufactures the body of the car except the engine of the car. The engine of the car is manufactured by the other company. Then who is liable to pay excise duty on the manufacture of only engine? So we'll be seeing focused about engine only. So car company is a principal manufacturer and engine company is actual manufacturer, because engine is manufactured by the engine company, that is the actual manufacturer. Then duty, who will be the person who will be paying excise duty? So it is in this manner. Duty, is it visible? No. Duty will be payable by principal, I'll write here PM or AM, principal manufacturer or actual manufacturer, depending upon the relationship between principal manufacturer and actual manufacturer. If a relationship is principal to principal basis, then duty will be payable by actual manufacturer, and if otherwise, that is not principal to principal, basis, then duty will be payable by actual will be payable by principal principal manufacturer. Got carried away with the spelling of principal. I hope you all have understood this. If this are in the relationship of principal to principal, then the excise duty will be payable by actual manufacturer only. If not principal to principal, then the excise duty will be paid by the principal manufacturer itself. I'll take an example from the practice manual. In that way we will be solving practice manual sums also. So see, Famous Hero Motor Limited, wait, I'll zoom it little bit more. Famous Hero Motor Limited purchase raw materials and supply it to JBK Engineering Company. JBK Engineering Company manufactures automobile components as per the designs supplied by Famous Hero Motors. Such components bear brand name of Famous Hero Motor Limited, namely Famous Hero. JBK Engineering Company supplies this component to Famous Hero Motor Limited, who in turn sells them in the market as spare part of automobile, who is liable to pay central excise duty on such component. So since the relationship is principal to principal, the liability to pay central excise duty will be on the actual manufacturers, that is JBK Enterprise Company. So let us read. Liability to pay central excise duty falls on actual manufacturer of goods. Therefore, in this case, JBK Engineering Company, being actual manufacturer, will be liable to pay excise duty. This will be so even if raw material does not belong to them and goods manufactured by them bears the brand name of Famous Hero Motor Limited. As in the case of central excise, ownership of the good is not the relevant criteria to determine the duty liable. As I told you in this example, in my theory, this theory is very important, and there is one more question regarding this. Please keep the books open, the theory books open to solve the questions. A purchases clothes and give it to B, who is a tailor, to stitch a shirt as per the measurements and requirements of it. This example will be very appropriate for you all to understand. Assume A as y'all and B as me. I am the tailor and y'all are the person who have brought the coat and give it to me, that is B, the tailor. A purchases clothes and give it to B, who is a tailor, to stitch a shirt as per the measurements requirement of A. So y'all are A and I am B. B means tailor. B stitches the shirt and give it to A. In the given case, who will be treated as manufacturer of the shirt for the purpose of the levy of central excise duty? So y'all please assume who will be the person who will be liable to pay excise duty. But obviously tailor, because tailor is the manufacturer, and as we have studied earlier, the excise duty will be paid by the manufacturer only when the goods are moving out from the manufacturer's gate. So let us read. A person who carries out actual manufacturing process is considered as manufacturer for the purpose of levy of central excise duty, even if raw material is supplied by someone else and goods are manufactured as per the specifications of such person. In other words, ownership of raw material is not relevant. So you are understanding now, ownership of raw material is not relevant. If you want, you can write in the theory book. You all have not copied yet, I know, but let us first read it. Therefore, in this case, B, that is the tailor, being the actual manufacturer, will be treated as manufacturer for the purpose of levy of excise duty, even though the cloth, that is raw material for making the shirt, is provided by the A and the shirt is stitched as per the specifications of A. Okay, so I hope manufacturer you have understood. If you have not copied, please pause the video and copy this first. Please pause the video and copy this much first. I hope you all have copied this much. Please pause the video and copy this much. So we have completed manufacture. So let us complete first India also, then finally we'll revise the entire 4 conditions together. India is very small to teach. India. We will draw India first. We know only India. My drawing is pathetic. I am drawing only the down part of India. There is more upper part. I am not drawing that. So this is India. In this there are states. So including the states, there is something more which is included in India. So first let me draw the line. This is all water that I am drawing here. This is territorial water. Territorial water. How we'll come to know which part of water is territorial water? Territorial water is up to 12 nautical miles. NM stands for nautical miles. I'll write down here. 1 nautical mile is equal to 1.853 kilometers. So from the landmass of India, up to 12 nautical miles in the water, it is known as territorial water surrounding the landmass of India. Okay.